Peace, my sugar lumps. Let's spend time in nature. I want to spend at least 5 minutes with you in nature. So I'm not going to say too much, but I will look at the screen periodically to make sure we're getting our 5 minutes in nature. So enjoy. Also, if you enjoy this 5 minutes in nature and you would love to have more live streams in nature and more longer form videos in nature, I invite you to subscribe. You can click the link in the description and in the comments. Go run. Go. No, because when we go in, we're going to eat lunch and then it's time for nap. So you get popsicles, eat lunch, and go for nap. So I advise you to go play. You can get marshmallows, but you got to go play. Go play. Yep. Y'all are tired?
Shoes, mommy, shoes. Dad, I'm going time. It's Friday.
Oh.
Mom, I'm dead.
It's okay.
I'm scared of spiders.
There's no spiders.
I'm going to climb a tree. Climb a tree. Climb a tree. Climb a tree. Mama, climb a tree.
You're okay. Go climb the tree.
Okay.
Zach, please help your brother climb the tree.
I'll stop. Tree. Mom, it takes me. Everybody takes me. Eli, get down a piece of cake. No buy cake. Get down.
You want to get down?
They're actually about to be out. You see? They're
Children who watch movies. Okay, he wants to get down. Help him. Thank you. Good, Poo Poo. Careful.
Eli, let me show you how a real boy does.
Ma'am.
Eli.
Yes?
Hello.
Oh! What does he want to see? Yeehaw! Oh, get up, mommy, get out, get out,
Eli,
get out,
get out of the way.
get out, get out, get out. Eli, you're fine.
I will lay down with
Fine, fine.
Stop moving, Eli. Eli, move out of the way. Eli, move. Tell him to move.
E, come over here. No, this
Thanks.
way.
I'm gonna Eli do it.
You want to lay down with us?
Yeah, Eli.
Hold on. Come down a little lower. There you go. Now you can lay down.
I have a cheese in.
Be careful, son.
It's wet, mommy. It's wet.
It's wet or red?
Wet.
What's wet?
Wet.
Red. Color red.
Color wet. Wet ear. It's clean.